Welcome back, my name is Richie, this is Fitness First Steps. Today we are going to be doing a high repetition, low weight arm workout. We're going to be working our biceps and our triceps. We're going to be doing 21 repetitions every exercise. You will see. This is the attachments you're going to need, and here's what we're going to do, just to refresh your memory. This workout is part of my Ultimate Multi-Gym workout program. If you don't know what it is, the link is in the description. So first off, we're going to be using the long bar, because I want your hands to be there. Okay, so they're wide gripped. That is going to be set, so just as you lift, that's when the weight kicks in. Let me quickly tell you what 21 is. When you've got the bar, I used to do this with my brother. 21, you go 7 repetitions up to halfway. My brother used to have his fist there, so he used to go 1, 2, 3 to 7. On the 7th one, he'd move his fist all the way up and then put his fist back, and then you go wow. So you're doing the top off. So you do 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, moves his arm, then you do 7 full repetitions. Okay, that's why it's called 21. 3 7s is 21. Then we're going to jump up here. We're going to do 21 wide grip tricep pull downs. Okay, and then that's one set. And we're going to do 3 of them sets. Then after that, we're going to jump into something different. Get ready. Now I want your arms to be shoulder width. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up, 7, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down, 7 forwards, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a good one. Clip it off. We're going straight over to our triceps. Clip that on. Arms in the same position. And we're going to do 21 pull downs. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slow control, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, up slowly. That felt good. We don't need much rest here because we're doing the triceps. So now we're going to go straight down for the biceps. Because the biceps have been resting while we're doing the triceps. Hook it on. Deep breath. Arms in the same position. Set 2. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down, full curls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down. Excellent. Unhook it. Straight back up to our triceps. Hands in the same position. Deep breath. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, feel the burn just kicking in. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Up slowly. Good. Quick breather. While we're hooking this on. Down here. Excellent. Straight in to 21s. This is the third and final set. Ready? Go. 1, halfway up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way out, 7, down, halfway down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down, full close, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down slowly. Excellent, we're moving up here. Don't worry about all these things on there, I'll just tie them back so they don't flap about. Ready? Third and final set. Arms shoulder width. Pulling down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, one more, 21, up slowly, done. Excellent, I'm feeling ripped up already. Now you're going to need a handle. We're going to be doing single 21 pulls. First, we're going to put this here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, swap back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to keep doing that until the last set. We're going to do 6. That will make it 21 each arm. Once we've done that, unclip up here. We're going to do this similar thing, but we're going to pull down like so. And same 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, and 6, 6. 21. Ready? Let's get on with this. Right, let's do this. Let's clip this on the bottom. No chain needed. Now, 2 feet are apart. This is in the middle, if you look down, and we're going to curl up. And we're going to do 5 and then swap. Ready? Deep breath. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 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 That's 10 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 each. Now we're going for 6. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 21. Swap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let it go slowly. Excellent. That's 21 each hand. Now we're going to move straight up. Now we're going to move straight up to here, and we're going to do the same thing. But palms are facing down, and we're going to be pulling down into the centre. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 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 Now we're doing 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly. Deep breath. We're going back to the floor. Why? Because our biceps have been resting while we was doing our triceps. Let's go. Set 2. Spread your feet. Hand in the centre. Pull up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to 6 repetitions. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Swap them over. No resting in this one. It's a fast pace. Ready. Hand in the centre line. We're pulling down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going over to 6. Swapping hands. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one on this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly up. Excellent. Going on to our final set. Feet apart, hand in the centre, ready, pulling up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping over, we're going to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down slowly, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down slowly, unclip. Go into our triceps. Last set, hand in the middle. Get your hair out your eyes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swap hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Swapping back, we're going to do 6. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Up. Swap hands. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up slowly. Done. This workout gets our heart pumping and it's whipping up our arms. High repetitions, low weight, ripping up the muscles. That is it. Multi-gym arm day, ripping, done. Remember, if you have any questions, email me fitnessfirststeps@gmail.com. I try to get back to everyone that emails me because I'm like that. As I said before, this workout is part of the Ultimate Multi-Gym Workout Program. Link is in the description if you do not know what that is. Why do you not know what that is? I'll see you next time.